Hello dear students, in previous class we have solved the problems from the chapter height and distance up to question number 21. Okay, today we will start from question number 22. So read the question number 22 very carefully. In this question it is given that the horizontal distance between two towers is 140 meter. The angle of elevation of the top of the first tower when seen from the top of the second tower is 30 degree. If the height of the second tower is 60 meter, find the height of the first tower. Okay, let the first tower be AB. AB is the first tower. Okay, and CD is the second tower. Distance between the towers given, that is 140 meter. Okay, and it is told that the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, bigger tower, from the top of the smaller tower is given 30 degree. This is the observer. Here the observer, suppose this is the object, so draw horizontal line, the angle made by the line of sight, and the horizontal line, that is 30 degree. So this angle of elevation is given 30 degree, and it is told that the height of the smaller tower is given 60 meter. Okay, that is second tower or smaller tower. Okay, now you have to find the height of the bigger tower, that is AB. Now see this is forming a rectangle, so this is 140 means this is 140, and this CD is 60 meter means AB is also 60 meter. Okay, now come to the triangle AEC. In this triangle, tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree means perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is AE and base is C, so tan 30 means AE upon C, and tan 30 degree equals to 1 upon root 3, and A is not provided, but C is equals to dB, that is equals to 140. Okay, so do cross multiplication, so root 3 A equals to 140, so A equals to 140 upon root 3. Now do rationalization of the denominator, so by root 3 we have multiplied numerator and denominator, then root 3 into root 3, that will be 3, and 140 into root 3, that is 140 root 3, and A equals to 140 and root 3 is equals to 1.732, and if you multiply by 140 you will get 242.48 divided by 3, and if you divide by 3 then you will get 80.826666. So A is approximately equals to 80.83. okay, AE, okay, AE we have got, and B is equals to 60 meter, that we have calculated already. Okay, because CD equals to B, that is 60, and this part we have calculated 80. So total height of the first tower, that is AB, so AB will be equals to AE plus B, AE plus B. AE we have calculated 80.83, and B that is given, that is 60. So sum of these two, that will be the height of the first tower. Okay, that is 140.83. Clear? Now come to the next problem, that is question number 23. Okay, so read the question number 23 very carefully. As observed from the top of a 80 meter tall lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships on the same side of the lighthouse in horizontal line with its base are 30 degree and 40 degree respectively. Find the distance between the two ships. Give your answer correct to the nearest meter. Okay, suppose AB is the lighthouse. Okay, AB is the lighthouse, and this side, on the same side, C and D, these two are the ships. Okay, an angle of depression from the top of the lighthouse is given 30 degree. This is the observer here, and these two are ships on the water level. Okay, so this is the observer, means through the observer you have to draw horizontal line, and this angle will be 30 degree. This angle is 30 and this angle is 40, and these two are parallel, and this is the transversal, so this is 30 and this is 40. Okay, clear? Now you have to find that the distance between the ships, means you have to find CD. Okay, now first of all, in right angle triangle ABC, in this triangle, bigger triangle ABC, tan 30 degree equals to AB perpendicular and BC base, AB upon BC. Tan 30 degree equals to 1 upon root 3, and AB is given 80, height of the lighthouse. Okay, that is given, so 80 upon BC. Now by cross multiplication, BC is equals to 80 root 3. So BC equals to 80 into 1.732 because root 3 equals to 1.732. Okay, implies that BC equals to 138.56. After multiplication we have got that. Okay, now come to this triangle ABD. In this triangle, tan 40 degree equals to AB upon BD. So AB upon BD, and tan 40 from the table at the end of your book you can see that tan 40 degree equals to 0.8391, and AB is given 80 meter. So 80 meter we have placed, so implies that cross multiplication, so 0.8391 multiplied by BD is equals to 40, it equals to 80, implies that BD equals to 80 upon 0.8391. And if you divide this one, then this will be approximately 95.34. Okay, so BD we have got and BC we have calculated. So CD will be how much? CD will be BC minus BD. So CD equals to BC minus BD, that is 138.56 minus 95.34, that is 43.22, and you have to calculate the answer up to nearest meter. So nearest meter will be 43 meter, because this is less than 50, so we will consider 43. If it is more than 50, then it will be 44. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 23. Now come to the next question, that is question number 24. Okay, question number 24. Read the question number 24 very carefully. The angle of elevation of a pillar from a point A on the ground is 45 degree, and from a point B diametrically opposite to A and on the other side of the pillar is 60 degree. Find the height of the pillar given that the distance between A and B is 15 meter. Okay, suppose CD is the pillar, CD is the pillar. Okay, and one point is here A, on the one side, and opposite side of the pillar there is a point B. Okay, these two are at the opposite sides of the pillar CD. Clear? And distance between AB is given 15 meter, and from point A the angle of elevation of the point C is given 45 degree, and from point B the angle of elevation of the top of the pillar is given 60 degree. Okay, what you have to find? You have to find the height of the pillar, that is CD. Okay, now from triangle ADC, from this triangle, okay, this triangle tan 45 degree equals to CD upon AD, CD upon AD because perpendicular upon base, CD upon AD. So for tan 45 degree equals to 1, so AD, by cross multiplication AD equals to CD. This is first equation, suppose. Okay, now come to this right angle triangle, okay, that is BDC. Then we get tan 60 degree equals to CD upon BD, CD upon BD. So tan 60 degree equals to root 3 CD upon BD. Now do cross multiplication, so root 3 BD equals to CD, and BD equals to CD upon root 3. Okay, because root 3 is in multiplication with BD, so in right hand side it will go to the division. Okay, okay, now adding equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and equation 2 are adding, so left hand side will be added and right hand side will be added. So AD plus BD added in left hand side, and CD plus CD upon root 3 added in right hand side. So AD plus BD, AD plus BD, that will be AB in total, and AB is given how much? 15, and we have added this one, so root 3 is the LCM, so root 3 CD plus CD. Okay, so 15 equals to CD, you have taken common, so root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3. Now CD root 3, do cross multiplication, CD root 3 plus 1 into 15 into root 3. Okay, so CD equals to 15 root 3 upon root 3 plus 1. Now rationalize the denominator, so we have multiplied the numerator and the denominator by root 3 minus 1. Okay, after multiplying and simplifying we have got this one. Okay, that is, if you multiply this one, so 3 3s are root 3 into root 3, that will be 3, 3 5s are 15s are 45, and 15 root 3 divided by 2, and root 3 is 1.732. So this is the value of CD, that is 9.51 finally. So CD equals to 9.51 we have got. So hence the height of the pillar is CD equals to 9.51 meter. Okay. Now come to the next question, that is question number 25. In question number 25, from 2 points A and B on the same side of a building, the angles of elevation of the top of the building are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. If the height of the building is 10 meter, find the distance between A and B correct to 2 decimal places. This is same as question number 23 here. Okay, so you can solve by yourself. This is the height of the building given, these 2 points are on the same side given. Okay, what you have to find? You have to find the distance between them. So from this triangle you can find AC, and from this triangle you can find BC. So from AC subtract BC, you will get AB. Okay, that is your homework. Question number 25 is just is same as question number 24. Okay, read the question and try to do by yourself. Same problem, just like question number 24. Question number 27 also just like question number 24. Okay, so solve by yourself. Now come to question number 28. Okay, read the question number 28. Question number 28, it is given that from a tower 126 meter high, the angles of depression of two rocks which are in horizontal line through the base of the tower are 16 degree and 12 degree 20 minutes. Find the distance between the rocks if they are on the same side of the tower, the opposite side of the tower. So two cases are there. Okay, AB. Okay, AB is the height of AB is the tower. Okay, in first case these two rocks are on the same side. Okay, in second case these two rocks are on opposite side of the tower. Clear? So separately we will solve these two cases. Okay, so first of all, and it is given that from C rock the angle of elevation of the point A, that is the top of the tower, this given that's 12 degree 20 minutes, and from the rock D the angle of elevation of the point A, that is the top of the tower A, is given 16 degree. What you have to find? You have to find the distance between the rocks when they are in same side and when they are in opposite sides. Okay, so first of all, in right angle triangle ABC, okay, ABC, AB is given, this angle is given, that is 12 degree 20 minutes. Now try to find BC. So tan 12 degree 20 minutes, that is equals to AB upon BC, perpendicular upon base. And tan 12 degree 20 minutes, that value you can see from the table. Okay, that the value is 0.2186. And AB is given already, that is 126 meters. So place the value, and after that do cross multiplication. Sorry. So BC into 0.2186 equals to 126. So BC will be equals to 126 upon 0.2186. Here some steps are skipped. Okay, you can understand. Then this value is approximately equals to 576.3952 and approximately equals to 576.40. Now come to this right angle triangle ABD. Here also ABC will be same. In this case also ABC will be same, and in this case also ABD will be same. Only the difference will be, in case of finding CD you have to subtract BD from BC and you have to add them. Okay, that is the difference only. In right angle triangle ABD means ABD, these two. Okay, same thing. Tan 16 degree equals to AB upon BD, AB upon BD, AB upon BD. Okay, so this tan 16 degree equals to 0.2867. From the table you can see that. So 126 upon BD. So BD equals to 126 upon 0.2867, and this is approximately equals to 439.48. Okay, now BC we have got, BD we have got. In first case, when the rocks are on the same side, then CD, the distance between the rocks, will be BC upon BD. BC upon BD, that is 136.92. And in this case, when the rocks are on opposite sides of the tower, then CD will be equals to BC plus BD. BC plus BD. So that will be 1015.88 meter. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 28. Now come to the question number 29. That is next question. Read the question very carefully. Okay. Question number 29. It is given that a man 1.8 meter high stands at a distance of 3.6 meter from a lamp post and casts a shadow of 5.4 meter on the ground. Find the height of the lamp post. CD is the man. Suppose CD is the man and AB is the lamp post. Okay. The shadow of the man CD is FD, that is 5.4 meter, that is given. Okay. What you have to find? You have to find the height of the lamp post, that is AB. Okay. So see that. In this case, CD is the height of the man, AB is the height of the lamp post. Okay. So draw a line, horizontal line through C, because the eye of the man will be at point C. So through the observer eye, we have drawn a horizontal line C. Okay. So as this distance between the man and the lamp post is 3.6 meter. So this one also will be 3.6, and height of the man is 1.8 meter. So this one BE, that will be 1.8 meter. Okay. Now in right angle triangle AEC, in this triangle, suppose this angle is theta, that is not provided, I am assuming that is theta. In this triangle, tan theta equals to AE upon C. So AE upon C is given. C is equals to BD, that is 3.6 meter. Okay. Now come to the right angle triangle ABF, the bigger triangle. Tan theta equals to AB upon BF, AB upon BF, and BF equals to how much? BF equals to BD plus FD, and in total that will be equals to 9 meter. Okay. See this, BF equals to 9 meter. So AB upon 9. Now see this, in equation 1 tan theta equals to AE upon 3.6, and equation 2 tan theta equals to AB upon 9. Both the equation are giving the value of tan theta, as left hand sides are equal, so right hand sides also will be equal. Now from 1 and 2 we get that AE upon 3.6 is equals to AB upon 9. Okay. Now by cancel out by 9, so this is 1 and this is 0.4. So AE equals to 0.4 into AB, draw cross multiplication. So 10 AE multiplied both side by 10. So we have got that 10 AE equals to 4 AB. 10 AE equals to AB means AB means AE plus B. AE plus B. Okay. So 4 into AE and 4 B. Now take this 4 AE in left hand side, so it will be 10 AE minus 4 AE, that will be 6 AE, and B is given 1.8 meter. So 4 into 1.8 meter, and AE equals to 4 into 1.8 divided by 6. So AE equals to 1.2. So AE is 1.2 and B is 1.8. So AB will be equals to AE plus B. AB equals to AE plus B. AE calculated 1.2 and B is given 1.8. So total is 3. So height of the lamp post will be 3 meter. Okay. Now next question, that is question number 30. Read the question number 30 very carefully. In question number 30, the angle of depression of the top and the bottom of a 8 meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between two buildings correct to the 2 decimal places. Okay. One multi-storied building is there. Okay. And a tall building is there. Suppose this is the CD is the tall building of 8 meter height, and this is the multi-storied building AB. Okay. From the top of the building, the angle of depression of the top and the bottom of the building is given 30 degree, that is 30 degree. This is the observer. Here A is at the point A. There is the observer. Okay, and this is the object at the top. Then the angle of depression is 30. This is 30 means this angle is 30, alternate angle. Okay, and this angle is 40. The bottom angle of depression of the bottom is 45 degree. As this is 45, so this angle is 45, alternate angle. Okay, what you have to find? You have to find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the buildings. Okay, So in right angle triangle AEC, in this right angle triangle, what we can get? Tan 30 degree equals to AE upon CE. A is the perpendicular, C is the base. So tan 30 equals to 1 upon root 3 AE upon CE. Now do cross multiplication. So C equals to root 3 AE and C equals to BD. See this C B, because this is rectangle, so opposite sides are equal. C will be equals to BD. So C is equals to BD. So in place of C we can write BD, that is root 3 AE. In right angle, now in right angle triangle ABD, in this right angle triangle tan 45 degree, this is 45 degree, so AB upon BD, so 1 equals to AB upon BD. Do cross multiplication, so BD equals to AB. Now first equation is giving the value of BD, second equation also giving the value of BD. So left hand sides are equal, means right hand side also will be equal. So on comparing, root 3 AE equals to AB, root 3 AE, and AB equals to what? AE plus B, AE plus B. Now take AE in left hand side, so root 3 AE minus AE. Now take AE common, that is root 3 minus 1, and B. See this, CD equals to B, this is rectangle, so CD will be equals to B, that is equals to 8 meter. So B equals to 8 meter. So A equals to 8 upon root 3 minus 1. Now rationalize the denominator, so multiplied by root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. Okay, after simplifying we have got A equals to 10.93. A equals to 10.93. Okay, A is 10.93, so the height of the multi-storied building is AB. AB equals to AE plus B, so 10.93 plus 8, that is equals to 18.93. And distance between them is this is BD. Okay, BD is the distance between them, and here we can say that BD is equals to AB from equation 2. BD is equals to AB, so BD equals to AB means BD is also 18.93 meter. From equation 2 you can see that BD and AB are equal. Okay, now next question number 31. Read the question number 31 very carefully. It is given that a pole of height 5 meter is fixed on the top of a tower. Okay, suppose this is the pole BC and this is the tower, that is CD, that is fixed. Okay, a pole of height 5 meter is fixed on the tower. BC is the tower and this is the pole, that is CD. Okay, that is fixed on the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole as observed from a point A. A is the point. From point A, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole, that is given 60 degrees. So this point, this is the top of the pole, angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay, and the angle of depression of the point A from the top of the tower. Top of the tower means C. From C, the angle of depression is 45 degree. This is 45 degree, means this is 45 degree. Okay, what you have to find the height of the tower. You have to find the height of the tower, that is BC. So in right angle triangle ABD, in this triangle tan 60 degree equals to BD, that is the height, and this is, or you can say that perpendicular, and AB is the base. So BD upon AB. So AB equals to BD upon root 3. Okay, cross multiplication, then AB will be equals to BD upon root 3. This is equation 1. In right angle triangle ABC, now ABC, in this right angle triangle tan 45 degree equals to BC upon AB, and tan 45 degree, that is equals to 1 by do cross multiplication, AB equals to BC, that is equation 2. Now compare equation 1 and 2, we can get that the left hand sides are equal, so right hand side also will be equal. It means BC equals to BD upon root 3. Okay, now root 3 BC, do cross multiplication, root 3 BC equals to BD, root 3 BC, and BD equals to what? BD equals to BC plus CD. BC is not given, so we take BC in left hand side, and CD is given already 5 meters, so write 5 meter. So BC equals to 5 upon root 3 minus 1. Do rationalization of the denominator, then BC will be equals to 6.83. BC is equals to 6.83, and BC is the height of the tower, so hence the height of the tower is 6.83. Okay, now next question number 32. Okay, read the question very carefully. 32. A vertical pole and a vertical tower are on the same level of the ground. Vertical pole and vertical tower. Suppose this is the vertical pole and this is the vertical tower AB, and CD is the vertical pole. Okay, and next it is given that from the top of the pole, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, from the top of the pole, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, that is given 60 degree. Horizontal line we have drawn, so this angle is given 60 degree. Okay, and the top, from the top of the pole, the bottom of the tower, the angle of depression is given 30 degree. So this is 30 degree, this is horizontal line, this is line of sight, this is 30, alternate angle, so this will be 30. Okay, what you have to find? Height of the pole. Find the height of the tower if the height of the pole is 20 meter. Find how the height of the tower, that is AB, you have to find, and CD is given, height of the pole is given 20 meter. This is 20 means B, this is a rectangle, so B also will be 20 meter. Okay, now in right angle triangle AEC, in this triangle tan 60 degree equals to AE upon C. Tan 60 means root 3 AE upon C, and C into root 3, that will be cross multiplied. So AE equals to root 3 CE, AE equals to root 3, and CE equals to BD. So in place of C we can write BD. In right angle triangle BDC, now in this triangle, okay, tan 30 degree, this is 30 degree, tan 30 degree means perpendicular upon base, that is CD upon BD. CD is given how much? 20 meter, so 20 upon BD. So you can find that BD equals to 20 root 3. Now putting the value of BD, this BD in equation 1, we can get that A equals to root 3 into 20 root 3. So multiplied by root 3, it will be 20 into 3, and A equals to 60. So A equals to 60, but height of the tower is how much? AB. So AB will be equals to AE plus B. AB equals to AE plus B. AE we have calculated 60, and B, that is given 20 meters. So total height of the tower is 80 meter. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 33. Question number 33 is just like the previous one. Okay, exactly same. So you can solve by seeing the same method. That is your homework. Now question number 34. In the adjoining figure, the shadow of a vertical tower on the level ground increases by 10 meter when the altitude of the sun changes from 45 degree to 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and give your answer to the correct to 1 upon 10 of a meter. 1 upon 10 of a meter means up to 1 decimal places. Okay, so this is the height of the tower. Okay, and this is the shadow, and BD and the BC, these two are the length of the shadow into different time. Okay, what is given? It is given that the angle of elevation, when the altitude of the sun changes from 45 degree to 30 degree, the length of the shadow increases. Suppose the sun is here, then the angle of depression was 45 degree, so this will be alternate angle, this is 45 degree. So at that time the length of the shadow was BD. Okay, and after some time when the sun come to this position, then the angle of depression will be 30 degree, and this is the length of the shadow, that is BC, and the changes in the shadow length, changes in the length of the shadow, that will be 10 meter. Okay, from position D to C, that is given. What you have to find? You have to find the height of the tower AB. Okay, that is very easy. From this is AB. AB is the height of the tower. From this triangle ABC, from this triangle you can get that tan 30 degree equals to AB upon BC. 1 upon root 3 AB upon BC, root 3 AB equals to BC, so AB equals to BC upon root 3. Okay, and now come to this triangle. From this triangle also you have to find the value of AB. So tan 45 degree equals to AB upon BD, 1 equals to AB upon BD, AB equals to BD. Now compare these two, and the solution is same as previous problems. Okay, so you can do that. So try to solve it. Now last problem, that is question number 35. Okay, read the question number 35 very carefully. An aircraft is flying at a constant height with a speed of 360 km per hour. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the aircraft at an instant was observed to be 45 degree. After 20 seconds, the angle of elevation was observed to be 30 degree. Determine the height at which the aircraft is flying. Speed of the aircraft is given 360 km per hour. So we have converted into meter per second. Suppose this flight at first position it was here. Okay, at that time from point this one, the angle of elevation was 45 degree, and after some times, okay, after some time means 20 second, after 20 second it reaches to C position. At that time the angle of elevation from point E, that is 30 degree. Okay, what you have to find? Height of the aircraft. You have to find the height of the AB or CD, that you have to find. AB also the height of the aircraft, or CD also height of the aircraft. Okay, now in triangle, right angle triangle ABE, tan 45 degree equals to AB upon B. So 1 equals to AB upon B. So AB equals to B. Okay, now in right angle triangle CDE means in this right angle triangle, CDE in this right angle triangle. Okay, in this right angle triangle, tan 30 degree equals to CD upon D, and tan 30 degree equals to 1 upon root 3. Now do cross multiplication. After doing cross multiplication, that will be root 3 into CD, that is equals to D. So CD equals to D upon 3, and CD equals to AB. From the figure you can see that CD equals to AB. Okay, so in place of CD we can write AB. So AB equals to D upon root 3. Okay, from equation 1 and 2 we get that, we can compare that AB equals to D upon root 3, and from equation 1 you can say that AB equals to B. So B will be equals to, right hand side also will be equal, so B also will be equals to D upon root 3. Now do cross multiplication, then root 3B will be equals to D, and root 3B equals to B plus BD. D equals to B plus BD. From this figure, D equals to BD plus B. Okay, so root 3B will take B in left hand side, clear, and that is equals to BD. So B equals to root 3 minus 1, and BD equals to what? BD, the distance covered in 20 seconds. Distance covered in 20 seconds, that is 2000 meter. 2000 meter. So that is placed here. So B equals to 2000 upon root 3 minus 1. Now do rationalization of the denominator. After rationalization denominator, you have got that B equals to 2732. So from equation 1 we get that AB equals to B equals to 2732. Hence the height of the aircraft is 2732 meter. Okay, so this is the last problem of this chapter. So this is all about the chapter height and distance. Okay, so in next class we will start a new chapter. Okay, till then revise more and more and see the question, read the question properly, try to draw the figure and do the solution properly, and practice more and more. If you have any problem you can ask me. Okay, thank you.